As China's top tube mill machine manufacturer, Tengdi is committed to innovating the tube manufacturing industry. With our cutting-edge technology and relentless commitment to innovation, we have earned our reputation as the most important tube mill machine manufacturer in China. In the welded pipe industry, our tube mills are carefully designed to meet the diverse needs of modern manufacturing. Increase your production efficiency and reduce downtime with our simplified design and tube mill quick change system. Our machines are designed for maximum efficiency, allowing you to meet tight production deadlines and stay ahead of the competition. The tube mill machine shown to you now is a perfect product that we have sent to South America and has received good reviews from customers. If you have the same needs or encounter any problems with the tube mill production line,